lost my temper earlier. It was just a glitch. It won't happen again. It's been such a difficult day for all of us. Why don't you come out and we can play games together? It won't happen again. It was just a glitch.
Gregory, still, I think she's found us.